a girl farm and that's a boy. Okay. The eggs are hatched. And chickens and with up. Dogs will get up. And cats are playing with, are in the cupboard. And pigs are drinking their mom's milk.
Tristan, she wants to look at the book too.
Buzzing out of here. Oh.
Can she open up a flap?
Yeah. How about you open this one up, Desi? You open that one up. That one. I think she doesn't want to. Yeah, we just did.
She's trying to open those. Oh, but it's because you've already read them and you don't want to open.
Stop! I stopped, Desi. Can you open that one, Desi? Open this one. It's already open. And this one is baby cat. Enough season. And these. What is that called?
I don't know. What is it?
It's this. Oh, why does the mouse get those orange things?
I have no idea. I can't see it upside down and over there. Are you done with the story time, Desi?